Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to hide or show buttons that appear on the taskbar in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open the settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Taskbar. Under Taskbar Items, you can toggle the switch for the Copilot button, Task View button, and Widgets button on or off based on your preference. There's also an option to adjust the search button to show the search box, the search icon only, the search icon and label, or hide the search button. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.